Everybody, we're back again. This is another design, and this one is even much more beautiful. This one has a white stripe for the driver's side, while the second one has a green stripe, a green tag for the passenger side. Okay. I'm also going to introduce how the installation and how to fix this sunshade. So first of all, you have to find the white tag and hold the strap. You see, the strap is different. This one is black strap. Hold it very well and take your time and slide over the glass. Beautiful. And also extend over the side mirror. Okay. Then take your time to hold the sunshade and cover the glass comfortably and beautifully, giving the car a very nice and perfect sunshade. And adjust the strap, the black strap as the case may be, so that it can lap very well on the car door. So that's it. See? Isn't it perfect? It's wonderful. Okay. Alright everybody, so this is how to install the sunshade on the passenger side. So first of all, you have to take your time to find the green tag and hold one of the ends in your hand and hold the strap, adjust it down so that you make a circle. So when you find a circle, take your time, don't be in a haste. You slide the strap above the glass, making it to extend over the glass and slide over the mirror, the side mirror. Perfect. When you've done it this way, then you take your time also to hold the sunshade to cover the car glass and adjust the black strap so that you can extend very well and perfectly on the car door, giving the car a wonderful and beautiful sunshade. Thank you very much.